Namaskar, how are you all doing? I know I'm coming on the video after a very long time. There were things which happened in my house. It wasn't pleasant. It took time for me to come out of it. I lost my father in law last month and it was devastating. It was very hurtful. I always used to say that as the bodies change clothes, the souls change bodies. But trust me, when it actually happened, I learned I'm still a human being, and it was difficult for me to overcome the pain, overcome the feeling that he is no longer there to talk to. I shared a good bond with him. Luckily, I'm fortunate enough to have good in-laws, and yeah, so I took a break. I didn't want it to come on a video mode because I was not in that state of mind to do a reading for somebody else while I was mourning and I was not in a great shape. Anyways, at at the end, everything has to move on. The life goes on, and here I'm back with the readings. So today, what I decided is I'm not doing an oracle reading today because it's a July month, and of course, 2 days have already passed, 2 to 3 days have already passed, but we still have the entire month in our hand. So I'm just doing a general reading for all those people who are here, who visit my channel, who wait for the readings on a daily basis. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'm really grateful to all of you who visit my channel again and again just to see what's there in the store for them. And here I'm presenting the month of July. How it's going to be a general reading today. I'm not going to talk about people born in this month would have this kind of a thing, or there is no pick and choose kind of a thing. Also, it's just a general reading, so please consider it if it resonates with you. Most of the time the general reading do resonate for a few people who are regularly on the video, on the channel, who visit the channel on a regular basis, because they kind of have the trust, the faith in the cards and in the tarot reader as well. So it does resonate sometimes it doesn't resonate. So irrespective of it, I would just say listen to it. Whatever benefits you, whatever suits you, take it. Whatever doesn't, just remove it. Don't make this as a hard and fast thing that ऐसा बोला है तो ऐसा ही होगा, ये बोला है तो ये होगा. कभी कभी बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है, कभी कभी नहीं होता है. But as simple thing, it's all about the faith what you have in the universe, the faith what you have in the tarot cards, and the faith you have in the tarot card reader. All right, so let me not waste much of time and start shuffling the cards just to see how is the month of July for all of you who are watching this video. Okay, all right. The card which is popped up is a Hierophant card. So this card is a very positive card. I would definitely say that it's a major arcana card. So obviously there will be a lot of things which are going to happen in your life this month. You might get into some spiritual practices, you might get into some religious practices too. Now spirituality is something where you surrender to the universe. You don't believe in any religion. I mean, there is no religion at all involved when it comes to spirituality is all about knowing the truth of your life, knowing why and what is the purpose of your existence in this universe. And religious is like you follow Hinduism, you follow Christianity, you follow Islam, you follow Zoroastrian, whatever the religions are. For me, I feel the universe, personally I'm a Sanatani follower, so I feel that the Sanatan Dharma speaks very high about spirituality. It's a way of life. You can't just escape from things. Your karmas, you have to answer them. There is nobody else going to come and answer your karmas for you, right? So that's how it's going to be. Now, this card coming up in the picture, this entire month, either you would be taking help of a spiritual coach, or you would end up being a coach to your people, to your loved ones, or the ones who trust in you. Most of the time it also believes that you blindly would trust a guru, you blindly would go behind a spiritual practitioner, a healer, or maybe even a religious guru who is who's into a lot of pravachan and who does a lot of things. So this card is talking all about blessings from the universe. तो आप जो भी करना चाहो इस महीने में आप आराम से कर सकते हो. You will your all your dreams would be kind of fulfilled provided you listen to the guidance. Now here, if you say I don't follow any spiritual guru, I don't have any spiritual guru, I don't have anyone, all those things, then it's okay. It could also be that your higher self, your intuition will give you the answers. Whenever you surrender to the universe, what happens is your intuition starts speaking to you, and you just need to close your eyes and concentrate. Ask a question, throw a question in the universe, and then close your eyes, just concentrate. You will surely get some signs which will give you a clarity of should you go ahead with the thing or should you just stop it right there. So that's how things will work out. So spirituality, if you are looking for some spiritual guidance, please go ahead. This is a right month to opt for it. But if you are looking for some religious guidance also, you can always follow your religion, whichever you practice. You can definitely get into reading of the holy scriptures, reading of the mythological books, reading of those books which gives you understanding of what is the reason of this universe, what is the existence of the universe, and why are you here as a human being, what is your responsibility, what are you supposed to do, and how you supposed to go ahead. All right, so this month definitely will be more of practicing a spiritual or a religious practice. Advice is definitely get into some kind of meditation, it'll help you. Now this was a general reading. Now with respect to your health, let's see how your health is going to be this month. Good. 10 of Pentacles, definitely good. Your health will be great. You need to follow some traditional practices, something what your grandparents have been doing. Follow the diet what they have been following. Follow the diet what your parents had taught you as a kid. If you are a gym freak, maintain that. If not, get into a holistic approach, get into a yogic lifestyle, because that will help you and that will literally give you a lot of strength to withstand any kind of physical ailments you would be having. Work on your root chakra, strengthening on your root chakra. Stay grounded. Be with nature as much as possible. I know it's raining, it's a wonderful month, but just don't do the stupid things like how people are doing. They go to Lonavala, they don't understand, they stand in the fall and then they are gone. So don't do all those kind of things, but be with the nature as much as possible. Try getting drenched in the rain just like that. बाद में बीमार पड़ोगे तो मुझ पे मत डालना. I'm just being very clear. Take necessary precautions also. That's one of the thing. And the other part would be walk bare feet in the nature. Spend some quality time near the water body. It could be a beach around you. It could be a lake around you, or even a pond, or maybe the water fountain. Just spend some time and then wake up early in the morning if possible. Say about 5:30, 6 o'clock. I know थोड़ा सा ठंडी लगता होगा, बारिश का मौसम है, you would want to just cuddle in the blanket, but try and see if you can just come out, get up, wake up early in the morning, take that fresh air, you will feel nice, sip a cup of coffee or a green tea or whatever you require, drink lots of water. So health card is very, very clear that you have to practice what your grandparents used to practice or what your ancestors used to practice. Of course, ancestors तक तो आप नहीं जा पाओगे, तो just practice whatever your grandparents and your पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस. अगर पूरी भाजी खानी है तो पूरी भाजी खाओ बिंदास, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल्स नहीं बढ़ेगा एक दिन में अगर पूरी भाजी खा लिया तो, राइट. And also use organic products. The more organic products you use, the better the life will be for you. That's the health reading. Now let's see how is the money. Money. So money, it could be a salary, it could be a business, it could be a housewife just making some extra money, it could be any kind of money here. Okay, so how is your money card? Sorry, the money card looks a little difficult. It seems that you have done too many, you're under a lot of debt, and you're just tensed, you're not able to pay back, or you paid everything and you are left with nothing. You're always tensed. Support card would definitely say that support card is a good one. So support card says that स्टॉप स्ट्रेसिंग अबाउट मनी. जो आना है वो डेफिनेटली आएगा, जो नहीं आना है आप लाख कोशिश कर लो वो नहीं आएगा, आएगा तो भी ऐसे चला जाएगा. सो ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. द मोर स्ट्रेस यू टेक द मोर इट विल हैम्पर योर हेल्थ. सो डू नॉट स्ट्रेस अबाउट मनी, be bindas. Would definitely say that if you are okay in investing, you can try and invest in SIP plans or maybe mutual funds or some shares, but limited amount, not too much, because end of the day take advice from somebody who a friend of yours who is good in all these aspects, somebody who knows how to handle things, somebody who is good with the financial knowledge. The finances has to be managed by somebody else for you, because somewhere you are not in the right zone right now. So be careful with lending of the money or even borrowing the money. Do not borrow unnecessarily, do not lend unnecessarily. Sometimes people come to us and then यार प्लीज़ यार 2,000 दे दे, 5,000 दे दे, फिर आप अटक के दे देते हो, बट उसके बाद जब आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी आपके पास नहीं रहेगा. सो डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक, डोंट डू दैट थिंग दैट आपके पास पैसा नहीं आ रहा है और आपको पैसा चाहिए और जिसने लिया है आपको नहीं दे रहा है. सो ये सब झंझट में मत पड़िए. just do not lend or borrow money. Make sure that whatever you have, manage in that. Budget karo, budget करके manage करो, everything would be fine and settled. Okay, now the next is the family card. Let's see how your family time is going to be in the month of July. Okay, ज़्यादा सपने मत देखना. बहुत कुछ सोच के रखा होगा कि जुलाई में ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, अब्रॉड जाएंगे बिकॉज अब्रॉड का सीज़न अच्छा रहेगा. यहाँ पे इंडिया में तो बारिश होती रहती है, तो कहीं और जाना है, ये करना है वो करना है. इतना भी दूर का मत सोचेगा. फैमिली टाइम अच्छा है बट लड़ाई झगड़े हो सकते हैं, सोच समझ के बोलिएगा. डू नॉट टीज अननेसेसरीली. समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स कि बातों बातों में हम छेड़ देते हैं बीवी को या पति को और फिर उनको ईगो पे आ जाता है एंड देन अरे तुमने ऐसा बोला तुमने वैसा बोला. ये सब मत करो. इवन फ्रेंड्स में भी होता ही है, राइट? फ्रेंड्स में भी आप बातों बातों में कुछ अनाप शनाप बोल देते हो एंड देन इट्स गॉन, द रिलेशनशिप इज गॉन बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट वन सिंपल nasty comment. So be very careful when you're talking, when you are commenting on something. हर किसी को बड़ा बनना है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप दूसरों को नीचा दिखा के अपने आप को बड़ा करो. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आप बड़ा बनना चाहो तो आप ऐसे ही बन सकते हो. दूसरों को नीचा दिखाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. हमेशा हमको ये सिखाया गया है, इट्स अ क्रैब मेंटालिटी. दूसरों को खुंदल कर उसके ऊपर चढ़ना ही हमको आता है. नहीं, ऐसा मत करो. आप अपनी तरक्की देखो, अपने आराम से रहो, दूसरों को नीचा मत दिखाना. और अगर कोई आपको नीचा दिखा रहा है तो उसको टॉलरेट भी मत करना. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इफ़ यू डोंट स्टैंड अप फॉर योर सेल्फ नो बडी विल. सो आपके फैमिली के साथ टाइम अच्छा रहेगा, लेकिन मजाक में भी गलती मत करना और बेवजह सपने मत देखना. आई वुड जस्ट से कि मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा, ये हैगा वो होगा. ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं होगा. जस्ट कीप इट सिंपल एंड सॉफ्ट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ओके, तो मनी हो गया, हेल्थ हो गया, फैमिली हो गया, जनरल हो गया. अभी बचा क्या? अब बचा ये है कि अगर कोई बच्चे ये देख रहे हैं, कोई स्टूडेंट्स ये देख रहे हैं, तो आप लोग का अगर कोई एग्ज़ाम्स है या आपकी स्टडीज़ कैसे जाएगी, आप कुछ प्लान कर रहे हो, कुछ पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, तो उसके लिए प्रिपरेशन कैसा होगा वो चेक कर लेते हैं. दिस इज़ मेनली फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स बहुत सारे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स रहेंगे आपके लाइफ में. आप जो कह रहे हो वो किसी को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, वो जो कह रहे हैं आपको समझना है नहीं. देयर बी लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस एंड डिसएग्रीमेंट्स and a little chaos in your life. So the best thing you have to do is pause. When someone is saying something again and again, pause. Do not reply to just reply, okay, just to argue. Reply after you understand. Always listen, understand. It is very beautifully, it was said by one of my ex-bosses when I was working, that do not listen to reply but listen to understand. So that's what I would say today. Do not listen to reply but listen to understand. When somebody is pointing out something, just pause a minute. There will be no harm when you listen to others' opinion. Yes, you will be in that zone that I know my skill better. These people have passed out long time back. इनको क्या घंटा पता रहेगा? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. कभी कभी कोई कुछ आके बोल देता है that it will just give you a ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. All these things happen. Okay, so my humble request is pause a bit, listen to it, then see if it works for you, go ahead with it. Otherwise, stick with your plan and do not seek for any validation from others for your plan. Okay, so that's all. Overall, I would say July is definitely a month of mixed emotions. Your health will be good, your income will be okayish, the studies part also will be okayish, the family time is also okayish. But what happens is, if you trust yourself, if you believe in yourself, then everything will be fine. Remember, you are the king of your universe. Nobody, literally nobody, can take this away from you. When you believe that I can do it, you can do it, right? No matter what happens, who is coming in the way, but if you are determined to achieve the result you're looking for, nobody will stop you, because the universe is always going to support you. So believe in your dreams, believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and everything will be managed. Thank you, take care, and if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and don't forget to share and love yourself and take care. Drink lots of hot water and some good chai because it's rainy mausam. Take care.